What's up, you guys? Welcome back to WideBody Nation. Quick video here, but I get this question a ton. The average American is over $6,000 underwater in the value of their car that they currently own versus the trade-in or the sale value. So this is going to help you guys, so just do it. If you guys are even thinking about trading in or selling any car that you own, whether it's 20 years old or 2 months old or anywhere in between, make sure you go to CARVANA among other places, but get CARVANA's value online using your VIN and input the questionnaire, because CARVANA just reported record earnings for Q1 of 2024, which means they have money to spend in theory, and they're also reporting record profits right now on used car sales. So I can't guarantee you guys are going to get the best trade-in value from CARVANA, but I've heard multiple people over the past week who will get, let's say for this WRX, for instance, CARMAX may offer me 25 grand for this WRX with their algorithms, with their calculator, but CARVANA, for multiple people I know of, was beating CARMAX's trade-in estimates by 1, 2, 3, 4 grand, and those are on pretty cheap vehicles too. So maybe if you have an expensive vehicle, maybe they would beat it more. So if you are considering, even thinking about trading in your vehicle, for instance, I'm thinking about selling my Subaru WRX just to get another car out of my stable here in this turbulent time. If you guys are thinking about it, do the CARVANA car value, get your car valued by them. Get it valued by CarMax and get it valued by EDMUNDs, Kelley Blue Book, and then pick one more site. That way you guys know that when you go to sell your car, you're not leaving money on the table. If you guys only input it to KBB, Kelley Blue Book, you're gonna probably leave money on the table because it's just gonna connect you with KBB and a few dealers locally to you, and they're gonna lowball you. I promise that. Why would dealerships not lowball you if you're gonna sell or trade in your vehicle? I'll have many more videos coming out, but I wanted to get this to you guys now because this could be a very temporary opportunity for you guys to get out of your cars a lot closer to how much you owe on them and not just how much they're worth. So let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do more negative equity or trading in, buying situations where you're going to be trading in or selling your car. But really wanted to get this out to you guys so that a lot of people I know are trading in or selling their cars right now, and they're getting destroyed with the valuation. They're having to write checks just to sell their car. They're having to finance negative equity. So use the tools. It's going to take you guys an extra 3 minutes to go on to CARVANA after you already went on to Kelley Blue Book. It's going to take you an extra 6 minutes to do CARVANA, CarMax, and Kelley Blue Book. It really does not take that long. I've done it in videos for you guys. It takes 2 to 5 minutes max. And then you can go around to your dealerships around you and negotiate up from that value because you're going to go there in person. Never take lower than online tells you. Always try to get higher for it and take the highest value online and go up from there when you're negotiating your trade or your car sale. Jump in the comments, leave a like, subscribe if you want, but let me know what you guys need. I'm trying to bring you guys information that's going to save you money or make you money, and I hope I did that with this video. Thanks for tuning in. Stay safe out there, and I will see you guys in the next video.